Purchase options. Once you've created a group, the next item you will want to create is a purchase option. What are purchase options? Purchase options are what set you apart from other businesses. It allows you to offer your customers credit-based or punch card purchasing, early bird pricing, flexible payment plans, reoccurring payments, and more. To create a purchase option, log into your GEM site. Once logged in, use the main menu at the top of your screen. Click Products. On the product page, click Edit next to the group you want to add a purchase option to. Scroll down to the Purchase Options section. Click Add Purchase Option. This will bring you the Purchase Option modal. If the purchase option is free, enter the name and click Save. If your purchase option has a price, enter the name and price and click Save. You may also want to use a payment plan. To use a payment plan, check the box next to Check here if you want to allow users to buy this using a payment plan. Choose from a wide variety of payment plans, including reoccurring, monthly installments, deposit and remainder, and deposit plus monthly. You may also want to use some of our advanced features. Click Advanced Options to see offline payment, credit expiration, unlimited credits, number of credits, available to purchase on date, and purchase expiration. You may also use our redeemable limit feature to limit the number of times this purchase option may be used. Click Save once all of your fields have been entered.